which I actually despise. I don't know about any of you, but I hate driving in traffic. But it is 5 o'clock, so I guess that makes sense. But we have a little project that we're gonna do tonight. So we are putting a barn door in our bathroom. Well, our bathroom door to our bedroom. Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna look so good. I hope it goes well and all that. But the reason we want to do that, well, I kind of wanted to do it, is because our door goes inward to our bathroom and our shower is right behind it. So then when we open the door, our shower is blocked off and it just makes it feel really cramped, and I just don't like it. I'm like, I'm done. I was thinking, maybe we could just take the door off and just leave it, but I'd rather just have a door so it doesn't look as weird. But that's what we're doing. Just wanted to update y'all. So I think that's what this video is going to be about. I'm excited. We're going to do a lot of renovations to our house, I think, in like the next couple of years. Not all at once. I mean, I would rather do it all at once, but we don't have the money for that. That's just a lot of money. All right, I'm going to stop vlogging and start driving. Bye. Okay, guys, so this is the before. As we can see, it's just a normal door.
A normal door that closes and opens. But if we bring you along inside, when you open our door, it covers up most of our shower.
This is what I was talking about in my car.
Yeah.
But yes, and we have a little rug and a Lucas. We have a Lucas too. And we can't close it, see? It's stuck. And it's just so annoying. Where's our shower? I don't know. It's just
yeah, and
right
it really
there.
does feel crammed. Like if you have the door open and you're taking a shower, it just when you get out, you just feel like you don't have a lot of room.
Yeah.
So it's a lot better if we do have a barn door, just a slide up. Well, here we go. Come on, buddy, get out of here.
He likes to be in the shower. Oh my god!
Yo, buddy. Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking this off. Yeah, we're gonna take this door off and we'll be showing little videos of us in progress of the new door. So that'll be fun.
Hello. Look at what we're doing.
This is what we call a door. And this door is gonna go in our bathroom. Well, the outside of our bathroom. But now we gotta figure out how to do this and put it in there.
That's right.
So yeah, now
And we are trying to find the English instructions, and not much luck yet.
oh yeah, we have English.
Oh, yay.
Perfect. Alright, I think I can figure it out now.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right. So right now we are starting to put the door on the wall. Well, part of the door. So this is what we're doing. All right, so we are about to put the backer board up, which will essentially hold the door so it can slide. Yes, sir. And our little helper right here. Yes. Are you a helper? Oh, he wants to say hi. Hi. This is a pain in the actual butt. Because, why, Chase?
All of our screws are stripping out. Like every single one. And I think it's because I didn't drill the holes deep enough. But I kind of thought, well, if they're good screws, I'll just go through. Like most good screws would, but I guess not. But we're figuring it out, and I guess we'll just update you guys as we go. It's gonna be a little bit of a pain, but we'll
maybe this is the worst part.
Probably.
have the track up, guys. We ran into a little problem. So let me take you back here where you can kind of see. So this track, the black part, does not look level. Technically it is. What he forgot to level was the board behind it, so it looks not level. But we leveled it with a leveler and whatever, and it's level, the track at least, and that's all that matters because that's what the door is going on, whatever. We had a little issue and I was like, this is not level, but then it was, whatever. It's fine. We're tired. I feel bad. But I think it's gonna look really good when it goes up. So let's go see what Chase is doing. There's Lucas. He's mad because he can't go in the garage. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. All right. Ah! Oh my God. I'm sorry, buddy. All right, what are we doing in here?
Well, we got the handle and little rolly thingies on there. And now we're about to go put the track stoppers on. And then I guess hang the door.
Sweet.
And all the rest of the stuff is basically for masonry stuff, so we don't have to worry about it, I think.
All right, perfect. Everybody.
We did it.
Finally, at 9:33 at night. All right, show them what it does.
All right, so right here, this is a stopping point. And you pull it in, and then stop right there.
Yes.
So yeah, now we have a barn door.
Yay! Look at that.
For any friends and family watching, I will not do this for you because it's a pain in my rear end. All right? So,
Just for me.
Yeah, just for her.
Just for me.
Anyone else? Don't ask me to do that. Because one's enough. All right?